विलेज में आपका स्वागत है। विलेज द सोल ऑफ इंडिया। मेरा नाम सुनील बाकलकर है। आई एम द शेफ ओवर हियर, so please welcome to the village. Okay, once again welcome. Today we are going to try the modak. Basically modak which are made with the rice flour. What we are trying them in a modern way is a different type of food. Okay, today what we are going to do is fried modaks which are made with the wheat flour. So I'll just tell you what exactly they are required for the modak. The basic for the covers of the coating, what we need is a wheat flour, coconut, the fresh coconut which is a grated one, the jaggery or maybe the sugar which is optional. You can put some cardamom, almonds, poppy seeds, clarified butter and the milk. Okay, let's begin with the stuffing, the dough which are already made for the my chef Mr. Yadav is going to introduce you with the stuffing. Okay, let's begin with the stuffing. What do you have at the pan? We added some clarified butter. The coconut. Just toss it till it get a brown. Then start becoming a little brown. This is the first one which will fried. Add the jaggery. Add 2 cups of milk. The milk is just added to keep the moisture. Okay, it has to be little one. You can smell the aroma.
You can smell the aroma.
Okay. It's really giving usual aroma. As soon as it starts giving browning, you can add some poppy seeds. Poppy seeds give you the little crunchy taste in that. You have some almonds. And finally, you can aromatic with the nutmegs or with the cardamom. The few people they don't like nutmeg, so you can just add cardamom to this. And just stuffing is ready. Okay. The next part, let's start with the filling up. We have the dough. Okay. It depends on the size you require. You can make some balls. Take a small ball. The size of cup depends on the size of modak you want to make. Okay. Try to make as thin as possible. Just have to make like a cup. Your stuffing is ready. Just fill the stuffing. Give the flakes, the design what you are going to make. Just the shape of the garlic.
So this is the normal, like how you make a chapati and all. It's kind of that kind of a dough.
Exactly, that kind of dough. The normal dough is made with the
Wheat flour.
wheat flour, oil, pinch of salt, and a little bit of water. The basically modaks, the traditional modaks are made with the wheat flour, and these are called ukdiche modak, which are the steamed one. Okay, these are the modern modaks which we are making. Is a kind of dumplings. So as we are, the culinary industry doesn't have any end for the recipes. This is what we little bit modified one. The flexes can be as more as you want. The design can be given with the many flexes. We'll start with the frying those things. They're just like a fried dumplings. If they are made with a rice flour, they can be steamed. This can be fried. Okay, we'll begin to fry.
So what are the variations can we do
The
in
variations
modaks?
can be. There's no end for the variations. We can make it a wheat flour. We can make it out of chocolates. We can make the brownies more things.
Okay.
The stuffing can be either anything with the coconut flour, with the dal, chana dal, and chana dal with the jaggery. The stuffings can be. There is no end for all those things. The frying has to be done on a very moderate frying because those things has to be cooked right from inside. Though the stuffing is already cooked, okay. I believe this is the most easiest thing to be prepared at home. Chapati ka aata to aapke paas ghar mein banaya hua rahega. The only thing, the stuffing, rather than making puris and the plain puris, you can just make it stuffed and you can make a special for your day.
So we can fry this in ghee also to make it more richer.
More richer, yes, okay. But people doesn't like the fried ones which are not going to be in ghee. So oil, mostly you can prefer the oil only.
So can we steam this instead of frying also? Oh,
Those things cannot be steamed because since the wheat flour, it can be steamed, but it's going to be a different name. Which are, even Marathi culture is called donda. Okay. So that can be steamed also, but the taste, of course, the dough has to be a little sweeter. This is a plain dough which is made with the salt. So if you're steaming it, it has to go little sweeter side. Here we go. The fry. Need to be fried until the golden brown. Okay, on a very moderate fire. Even you can make them flaky with the maida or with the corn flour. You can add some more corn flour and you can make it. You can give the different layers to the flour, where it can be become like a kachori kind of things, which are really crispy and flaky. You can add many for like ajwain, jeera, or you can aromatate it with many things. The modaks are getting fried. Make it a little browner.
so we can make them in batches and we can store it in a net
The life of the modak can be stay for at least 2 to 3 days.
2 to 3 days.
So there's nothing perishable in this. The stuffing that is made, which is totally cooked, okay, which can remain at least for a 2 to 3 days.
This has a
And
nice
modaks are
golden
ready?
color.
You can say these are the sweet kachoris, the different sweet kachoris. So your modaks are ready. The modaks can be consumed with the sweet coconut chutney or with the tomato ketchup. Or you can just either have it with chai.